So good morning student. Today in business communication paper we will study chapter 3, that is different forms of communication. Okay, in this chapter we will study various forms of communication. That is, the first one is one-way communication, two-way communication, okay, formal and informal communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, intrapersonal communication and interpersonal communication, okay, and other forms, that is group communication, public communication and the mass communication. Okay, this one communication, two-way communication, formal communication, informal communication, verbal and non-verbal, I have already explained. Okay, so I will explain little bit of this thing, okay, and the rest interpersonal will explain here, okay, and group communication, public communication and mass communication, okay, in this video. So we'll proceed to one-way communication. Okay, so one-way communication होता क्या है? देखो, one-way communication क्या है? There is no feedback. Okay, just you go on saying, but the feedback is absent. Okay, from the receiver's side to the sender. Okay, that is why it is called one-way communication. Here in this one-way communication, the role of sender and the receiver are isolated. Okay, not interdependent. Okay, that is why the role of sender and the receiver are isolated. Okay, they are not related. Okay, they are interdependent. Okay, that is why one-way communication is in the absence of feedback. Okay, that is why one-way communication is called as isolated. Okay, there are various advantages of one-way communication. The first one is it is time saving. Okay, as large amount of information can be conveyed in better way. Okay, in one-way communication, a person go on speaking and the time also save. Okay, next is it permits the sender, speaker or writer to express to his level best, as his flow of thoughts is hardly interrupted in the process. Okay, in this the sender is go on speaking. Okay, there is no disturbance. Okay, there is no interrupted in the flow of information. Okay, in the process of speaking. Okay, next one is it also permits the receiver to take the information according to his interest. Okay, in one-way communication his interest is must. Okay, he can take the information according to his interest. Okay, the next one is it is more effective in mass communication. Okay, in a crowd area, one-way communication is very much effective. Okay, and there are various disadvantages or problems in one-way communication. Okay, the first one is sometimes the message does not get transmitted due to receiver's inability to listen or understand. Okay, sometimes one person is go on speaking, but the receiver cannot understand anything. Okay, that is why this is the first drawbacks of one-way communication. Next one is misunderstanding are rules than exception. Okay, sometimes one-way communication is misunderstood by the receiver side. Okay, next one is this misunderstanding further breed negative emotions and adversely affect the human relations. Okay, this misunderstanding will affect negative emotions, okay, among the persons and relations is affected. Okay, now we'll study two-way communication. Two-way communication क्या होता है? There is a feedback from the receiver to the sender. Okay, that is why it is called two-way communication. Okay, अभी मैं जो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ उसमें कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, ओनली वन वे कम्युनिकेशन इज गोइंग ऑन, बट टू वे कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट अवेलेबल. दैट इज व्हाई टू कम्युनिकेशन में क्या होता है? देयर इज अ फीडबैक फ्रॉम द रिसीवर टू द सेंडर. ओके, जो मैसेज भेज रहा है उसको फीडबैक मिलता है. ओके, फ्रॉम द रिसीवर साइड. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड टू वे कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, देयर इज थ्री एडवांटेजेस. The first one is two-way communication ensures that communication takes place as the message transmitted with transmission of understanding. Okay, if the message you have sent to your friend is not received with the feedback, okay, it is not called two-way communication. if the receiver, okay, transmit that message or transfer that message with the transmission of understanding, then this communication, okay, it's called two-way communication. Okay, there is a feedback from the receiver's side. Next one is misunderstanding can be removed with immediate clarification. Okay, in this two-way communication, the misunderstanding among the receiver and the sender can be removed immediately. Okay, the next one is it helps to make conducive and creative environment of communication. Okay, with the help of two-way communication, a healthy environment or conducive environment can be created among the employees or among the organization. Okay, and a creative environment can be created among the people in the organizations. Okay, there are various problems in two-way communication. The first one is two-way communication requires more time and energy. Okay, for receiving feedback you need time. Okay, that is why it is requires more time, okay, and energy. Okay, next point, it sometimes generates more heat than light if the person are not ready to interact with open mind. Okay, in this what you are expressing the message, okay, it cannot be as per your choice. Okay, if the persons are not ready to interact with open minded, okay, then the message gets more heated than light message. Okay, that is why next point, it may lead to gossips and useless talks when the person do not communicate purposefully. Okay, if a person does not communicate, okay, with a matter, okay, with some special matter, then a gossips or misused, okay, useless talk can be possible in this. Okay, next we'll study verbal and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication होता क्या है? Verbal communication is communication through spoken or written words. Okay, in this verbal communication मैंने already बोला था, ठीक है, next last video में, first class में और second class में I have already told. Okay, verbal communication क्या है? It is the communication through spoken or written words. Okay, there are two types of verbal communication. Okay, the first one is oral and written. I have already explained. Okay, written communication क्या, oral communication क्या होता है? It may be face-to-face talk, okay, telephonic talk, video conferencing talk, etc. These are the types of verbal communication. Okay, first one is oral, next one is written communication. Written communication क्या है? It can take place in the form of letters. Okay, in business, written communication is takes place in the form of letters, okay, memos, reports, etc. These things we'll explain in further chapters. Okay, in coming chapters. Okay, there are various advantages of verbal communication. The first one is it permits diversity of the message. One can express different things and experiences through the medium of written or oral language. Okay, the message which you are sending, okay, it may be diversity. Okay, it can be expressed in different forms. Okay, that is why it is called diversity. Okay, through the medium of written or oral communication or oral language, the message can be diversified. Okay, next one is oral communication provides the distinct advantages like speed, effective impact on listeners. Okay, with the oral communication, one can communicate. Okay, provides the distinct advantages like speedy. Okay, you can talk speedy or oral communication, effect, impact on listeners. Okay, immediate classification or clarification can be done. Okay, with the help of oral communication. Next one is group communication. Group communication is possible due to oral communication. With the help of verbal communication, okay, group communication is possible due to oral communication. Next one is large amount of information can be expressed through written or spoken message. Okay, in any organizations, with the help of verbal communication, the information can be generated. Okay, various information. Okay, large information can be generated with the help of spoken or written message. Next is record of communications can be kept and the message can be drafted accurately. Okay, the information which is supplied to the organizations can be recorded. Okay, can be used for future. Okay, can be used for future purposes. Next is there are various problems. Okay, created in verbal communication. The first one is verbal communication is difficult among persons from different cultures. Okay, for verbal communication, okay, we need to know the employees from different cultures. Okay, that is why verbal communication creates difficult. Okay, it's difficult to express everything in simple form. Okay, that is why it needs various employees. Okay, different cultures has different language. Okay, different countries has different cultures. Okay, that is why verbal communication is difficult. Okay, due to difference in their language, communication does not take place. Okay, next one is it consumes more energy as compared to spontaneous non-verbal communication. Verbal communication में क्या होता है? It takes more energy. Okay, you have to speak out, otherwise the workers or employees cannot understood your language. That is why you need more energy as compared to non-verbal communication. Okay, words of any language are sometimes insufficient to communicate the experience, especially mystically. There are some things which cannot be expressed in words. Okay, that is why it is sometimes the words is insufficient to communicate. Okay, next is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication क्या है? It is the transmission of message other than oral or written. Okay, oral और written छोड़ के दूसरा क्या बोलता है? Non-verbal communication. Okay, non-verbal communication क्या है? It is the transmission of messages through facial expression. Okay, body language, postures. Okay, your eye contacts, your dressing. Okay, clothing, silence, etc. communicate non-verbal communication. Okay, there are various advantages of non-verbal communication. The first one is non-verbal communication is more suitable when persons communicating are not understanding each other's language. Okay, if there is a language barrier, then non-verbal communication is more suitable. Okay, it can be expressed with your body language. Okay, that is why non-verbal communication is most suitable. Okay, next one is it consumes lesser time and energy to communicate. Okay, with the help of body language and gestures. Okay, your silence, it consumes less time and energy to communicate with the help of non-verbal communication. Okay, next one is it enhances the impact of the spoken message. Okay, it impacts, okay, spoken messages with the help of non-verbal communication. Okay, the last one is it enhances the impact of the spoken messages. Same thing, same word. Okay, there are various problems or drawbacks, okay, of non-verbal communication. The first one is it lacks versatility as is prevalent in verbal communication. Verbal communication होता क्या है? The messages can be shared or communicated with a written or spoken, but in this non-verbal communication there is only one form to express. Okay, that is your body language, facial expression. Okay, but it cannot be recorded. Okay, but oral or written communication can be recorded. Okay, that is why it lacks versatility. Okay, next problems, that is it is not suitable when two or more persons are sitting in different places. Okay, non-verbal communication is not possible. Okay, when two persons are sitting at different places. Okay, next one is it may lead to ambiguity in understanding the message. Because of non-verbal communication, it may lead to ambiguity. Okay, one cannot understand your message. Okay, you're in understanding the message. Okay, what you are expressing, non-verbal communication cannot be understood. Okay, verbal communication sometimes understood. There are different cultures, but also in any organizations, verbal communication is very much important. Okay, next one is formal communication and informal communication. Formal communication होता क्या है? Formal communication is communication structure on the basis of hierarchy. Okay, authority and accountability. Okay, here in this formal communication the structure होता है. Okay, hierarchy होता है, one level, top level, middle level, lower level. Okay, यहाँ में एक format बनाया जाता है. Okay, here the works can be divided into different levels. Okay, ये काम करने का तरीका यहाँ में क्या होता है? हायरार्की होता है. फ्रॉम टॉप लेवल, मिडिल लेवल होता है, इंफॉर्मेशन पास होता है, उसके बाद लोअर लेवल. इट इज ए सिस्टमेटिक. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड फॉर्मली. ओके, फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? हायरार्की बनता है, उसको अथॉरिटी देता है, उसके बाद अकाउंटेबिलिटी. ठीक है, हायर अथॉरिटी क्या देगा? तुमको पावर देगा. ओके, यू हैव टू वर्क अंडर योर अथॉरिटी. ओके, That is why departmental meeting, conferences, circulars, company news, interviews, etc. are done in a formal manner. Okay, etc. are examples of formal communication. Okay, these are the thing. This may be downward, upward or lateral. Okay, upward communication क्या है? Sending the message from subordinates, okay, to supervisors. Upward में क्या होता है? मैसेज सेंड किया जाता है फ्रॉम सबऑर्डिनेट टू सुपरवाइजर्स. ओके, डाउनवर्ड में क्या? डाउनवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन रेफर्स टू द फ्लो ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम सुपीरियर टू सबऑर्डिनेट इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हायरार्की लेवल. ओके, यहाँ में सिस्टमेटिक फॉलो किया जाता है. ओके, देयर आर वेरियस एडवांटेजेस ऑफ फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. द फर्स्ट वन इज द इंफॉर्मेशन इज पासेस थ्रू लाइन एंड ऑथोरिटी. ओके, यहाँ में क्या होता है? जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन पास होता है थ्रू द सिस्टमेटिक चैनल. ओके, that is why it is through line and authority and consequently ensures the maintenance of authority as well as accountability of the executive in charge. Okay, जो भी काम होता है हमें systematically होता है. Okay, it passes through systematic line. Okay, next one is it helps develop intimate relationship between immediate boss and his subordinates. Okay, जो भी information pass होता है from systematic manner. Okay, in a systematic manner, that is why it develops intimate relations among the boss and the subordinates working in the organizations. Okay, last one, it keeps uniformity in the dissemination of information. Okay, यहाँ में क्या होता है कि यूनिफॉर्म क्रिएट किया जाता है. ओके, इज मेड. ओके, यूनिफॉर्मिटी काम करने का जो तरीका होता है सिस्टमेटिक होता है, इसीलिए एक यूनिफॉर्मिटी होता है. ठीक है, इसमें. Okay, there are various problems in formal communication. The first one is it increases the workload of various managers as all communications are to be transmitted to them. Okay, जो भी हमें काम होता है formal communication में, okay, through managers all the information is communicated, okay, transmitted. That is why the workload, okay, increases in this formal communication. Okay, these are the problems. Next is it widens the communication gap between top executives and employees at the lower level. Okay, यहाँ में क्या होता है? एक बड़ा गैप हम लोग को दिखने मिलता है. ओके, फ्रॉम टॉप लेवल टू लोअर लेवल देयर इज अ गैप. ओके, मिडिल लेवल है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे क्या होता है? इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम, ओके, टू कन्वर्ट और टू ट्रांसमिट मैसेजेस. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई देयर इज ए बिग गैप इन दिस फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. नेक्स्ट, इट इज इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन होता क्या है? Informal communication takes place outside the formally prescribed and plain network or channel. Okay, informal communication क्या होता है? फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में क्या होता है? यहाँ में जो भी काम होता है सिस्टमेटिक होता है और एज ए कंपनी का जो स्ट्रक्चर बनता है उसके हिसाब से काम होता है. ओके, जो भी प्लान किया जाता है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज ए सिस्टमेटिक वे ऑफ डूइंग द वर्क इन ए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, but in informal communication there is no any systematic. Okay, there is no any channel. Okay, there is no any network or channel टू कम्युनिकेट. ओके, जैसे जैसे काम हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, इधर उधर से जहां से भी इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में. ठीक है, हमें कोई भी प्रिस्क्राइब फॉर्मेट नहीं है काम करने का. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. समझा? इसीलिए इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन कहा जाता है. ओके, देयर आर वेरियस एडवांटेजेस ऑफ इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में होता क्या? देखो, कंपेयर विद फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क, इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लोज as faster speed in a spontaneous way in this type of communication. Through this, certain formal messages can be confirmed, expanded and expedited. Okay, okay, इसमें होता क्या है? जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन पास किया जाता है उसमें फर्स्ट काम होता है. ठीक है, फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन होता है वहां में सिस्टम मेंटेन करने पड़ता है. इसमें सिस्टम का जरूरी नहीं. ओके, जहां से भी काम शुरू हो जाता है, इसलिए ये फर्स्टर है. ओके, द मोस्ट एडवांटेज. ओके, मोर एडवांटेजेस of using this communication. Okay, next one is informal communication is multi-directional. Okay, informal communication में क्या होता है? काम जहां तहां से भी होता है. ठीक है, there is no any systematic manner. That is why it is called multi-directional. Okay, जहां से भी शुरू किया जाता है. Okay, there is no any directions. Okay, हमें जहां से भी काम किया जाता है. Okay, as a result it can flow to any directions and degree with no constraint, whereas hierarchical constraint and imposed on the formal network. Okay, जो भी फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में काम होता है वो एज ए इम्पोज किया जाता है. ओके, जो भी हायरार्की बना गया है, ओके, प्लान किया उसके मुताबिक काम होता है. लेकिन इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में वो सिस्टम नहीं है. यहाँ में मल्टी डायरेक्शनल, जहां से भी काम शुरू किया जाता है. ओके, फ्रॉम one department, you can go any other department. Okay, there is no any systematic rules. Okay, but in formal communication you have to follow the rules, okay, prescribed in the your documents, okay, your way of doing works. Okay, there are big problems in using informal communication. समटाइम्स क्या होता है, जो भी हम लोग मैसेज हम लोग इनफॉर्मली जो हम लोग कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, ओके, वो क्या होता है, आधा सच और आधा झूठ भी होता है, हाफ ट्रूथ, ओके, रूमर्स फैलता है, ओके, जो तुम्हारा मैसेज था वो उल्टा फुल्टा हो जाता है, ओके, बीच में टूट जाता है, फॉल्स मैसेज हम लोग ट्रांसफर किया जाता है, ओके, ट्रांसमिट होता है, इसलिए इट इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम्स, ओके, इन ऑफ यूजिंग इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, again next point here, the chances of distortion of the message are very much higher, very high, as every person hearing the message tries to add, subtract, more or color the message according to the wills or wishes. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है, जो भी मैसेज होता है, ओके, फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, मैसेज चेंज होते रहते हैं, ओके, वन पर्सन थिंक्स दिस थिंग्स, ओके, रेस्ट अदर पर्सन ये सोचता है कि हाँ ये होता है, उस करके मैसेज क्या होता है, कोई ऐड करता है, कोई सब्ट्रैक्ट करता है, करते करते मैसेज क्या हो गया, वो खराब हो जाता है, ओके, मैसेज. तो जो भी लास्ट में फाइनल रिजल्ट जो भी बनता है, ठीक है, मैसेज आता है, तो इट इज नॉट ओरिजिनल. ओके, दैट इज वाई ओरिजिनल मैसेज कैन नॉट बी ट्रांसमिटेड, ओके, इन दिस इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, यहाँ में क्या होता है, चांसेस ऑफ रूमर्स, ठीक है, बीच में जाके फैल जाता है मैसेज. हाँ, दैट इज वाई दिस द बिग प्रॉब्लम्स इन फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. नेक्स्ट विल स्टडी द इंट्रापर्सनल एंड इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. इंट्रापर्सनल मीन्स क्या है, देखो, इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन इज इंटरनल डायलॉग occurring within the mind. ओके, इंट्रापर्सनल कहाँ से शुरू होता है तुम्हारा, इंटरनल माइंड में, माइंड से शुरू होता है, ओके, विद इन योर माइंड, ओके, ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. देखो, इंट्रापर्सनल कहाँ से शुरू होता है, इज इंटरनल डायलॉग, ओके, तुम्हारा मन में जो, माइंड में जो आवाज आता है, ठीक है, डायलॉग occurring within the mind of an individual. ओके, इट मे बी क्लियर और कंफ्यूज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द इंडिविजुअल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. तुम्हारा माइंड कैसा है, ओके, वहां से तुम्हारा you are confused or you are clear. Okay, your message can be depending upon the individual's state of communication. Okay, if you are clear or confused, that is seen, okay, with the help of your mind, with the state of your mind. Okay, if the individual's mind is in trouble, okay, तुम्हारा mind जो है वो परेशान है, okay, the message will be unclear. Okay, तुम्हारा जो message what you are expressing, okay, it is not clear. Okay, that is why on the other hand, if your mind is silent and still, okay, peace, then the internal dialogue, okay, will become very clear and perception of the individual will be more wide and broad. Okay, तुम्हारा mind जो peace है, okay, you're silent, then your internal dialogue, okay, will become clear. तो क्या होता है, ज्यादातर बात क्या होता है, टू और मोर पर्सन है कि नहीं, दोनों में ज्यादा बात होता है ना, एवरेज में, है कि नहीं, क्लास से ज्यादा तो बात ही होता होगा, ठीक है, फ्रेंड्स के अंदर में, सर्कल में. तो इन एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, हाफ और मोर ऑफ देम एग्जीक्यूटिव्स एंड एम्प्लॉइज इज स्पेंड इन इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, ओके, द लास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, द अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, ग्रुप कम्युनिकेशन होता क्या है, पब्लिक कम्युनिकेशन एंड द मास कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, हियर ग्रुप कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स इट इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बात होता है, ओके, ग्रुप में काम होता है, ओके, इंटरपर्सनल काम होता है, कम्युनिकेशन होता है, उसको बोलता है ग्रुप कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, ए ग्रुप इज एन एसोसिएशन ऑफ टू और मोर पर्सन्स with who interact with each other in such a way that each influences the other. Okay, ये में क्या होता है, दो तीन चार जो भी, ओके, टू और मोर पर्सन्स इंटरेक्ट विद ईच अदर, ओके, टू इन्फ्लुएंस द अदर. ओके, वो लोग क्या करते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. ओके, देन देयर इज ए क्रिएशन ऑफ ग्रुप. ओके, ग्रुप में भी फॉर्मल सच एज कमिटीज होता है, कमिटीज, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, क्वालिटी सर्कल्स, ओके, टीम, these are called group communication, okay, which are formed intentionally or voluntarily to achieve specific goals or norms. Okay, जो भी हम लोग काम किया करते हैं, ठीक है, उसमें हम लोग ग्रुप बना के, ग्रुप करके हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं काम, और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वो गोल को अचीव करने के लिए मिलके काम करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज पब्लिक कम्युनिकेशन. पब्लिक कम्युनिकेशन होता क्या है, देखो, पब्लिक में बात करना, ठीक है, पब्लिक कम्युनिकेशन इन्वॉल्व स्पीच बाय वन पर्सन टू ए लार्ज ग्रुप एट ए टाइम. ठीक है, पब्लिक का बीच में स्पीच देना, ओके, टू वन पर्सन, बाय वन पर्सन, ओके, एट ए लार्ज, ठीक है, लार्ज ग्रुप एट ए टाइम. एक बार में सबको लेके, ठीक है, पब्लिक को लेके एक कम्युनिकेशन होना. दिस इज वन वे कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, एज द स्पीकर स्पीक स्पीच एंड द ऑडियंस लिसन ओनली. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है, पब्लिक में वन पर्सन स्पीक एंड द ऑडियंस विल लिसन योर मैसेज. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स एग्जांपल्स, पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स स्पीच देता है तो रेस्ट आर साइलेंट. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज मास कम्युनिकेशन. इसमें क्या होता है, जो पब्लिक होता है उससे भी ज्यादा, ठीक है, बिग क्राउड. ओके, मास कम्युनिकेशन द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ पब्लिक कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, पब्लिक से भी ज्यादा कम्युनिकेशन हो, ठीक है, जो क्राउड हो तो उसको बोलते हैं मास कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग टू द पब्लिक एट ए लार्ज थ्रू मास मीडिया सच एज. किससे हम लोग कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, टेलीविजन, विद हेल्प ऑफ टेलीविजन, इंटरनेट, फिल्म्स, पब्लिकेशंस एक्सेट्रा. ओके, it plays vital role in boosting the image of the business organization and attracting the customers. Okay, but it requires heavy investment. For mass communication you need heavy investment to publish your videos. Okay, videos or anything, okay, in the television purpose. Okay, internet में पास करना, फिल्म बनाना, ठीक है, पब्लिक करना, पब्लिकेशन करना, ठीक है, you need huge investment. Okay, that is what these are the thing in this chapter. You just go through, student. So I hope you will understand. So tell your friends to watch this video.